You know when you have a song stuck in your head? That is what I've got right now. Do you know what song it is? One where it goes... It's very irritating and it's completely stuck in my head solidly. So that's frustrating. But anyways, what's up, people? How's it going? I see this trade would have completely and utterly flopped if I had taken it. Oh well, moving on. Sorry. Ignore the chaos. It's been, as you can hear, it's been non-stop today, but we are here. We are ready to rumble. That's all that matters, right? We are here and we are ready to rumble. I am keen. Let's... Ah, there. It's like, where are my glasses? I need my glasses to find my glasses. That's where we are. That's how old I am. I need my glasses to find my glasses. A good start. Let's do this. Turble, what's up? Go have fun. How are you? How's everybody doing today? Are we all ready, steady, Freddy? I don't know who Freddy is, but I hope that they're ready and steady.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Okay, so let's do a quick analysis. Let's mark out all of the key points. Thank heavens I did not take this trade. Like I said, that would have been a loss. Cool. So these would have been losers. That's bad to say, but it is what it is. I see it just went straight back into range. So that's fun. We have now created relative equal lows. Let me quickly mark these out. Interesting. Actually, I think these are London lows as well. So this is London low and relative equal lows. This is a juicy level. Ooh, okay. So I wonder if New York's gonna open, take out this. Let's do equal lows here. Oh, that could be quite nice. Okay, let me quickly mark this out. Sorry guys, let me just make sure I mark everything out. There's London low, here's London high. Awesome source. That's not what I wanted. Okie dokie, that's done, that's done, that's done. Okay, that's it. Did I mark out? I did not mark out previous day New York high. Aha, I thought there was something missing. I guess you could call it the previous day high as well. Either way, 'tis important. Okay, we have over here. Bearish market seems good then. Here's the new weekly opening gap as well as Asia high. I had this as a point of interest marked out. It is a volume imbalance on the higher time frame. Present, I bought an apple. Thanks, Eddie. How are you doing, Eddie? That? What's up, Juan? How you doing? What's that? Okie dokie. So, what would be nice is to see it come take out equal lows, relative equal lows. Ooh, it has kind of been stuck in a little bit of a range, hasn't it? Ayo, boom! What's up? How are you doing? Let's see what chaos is here. Let's do this. Value area low. Interesting. Aw, I miss you too, Boom. How's it been? You've been a little bit MIA recently. How's the trading been? I saw you had a banger week last week. Good for you, good for you. Let me quickly do top to bottom analysis. While we have a little bit of time, I can't believe... Guys, just bear with me. The headache is so real today. Fine, I would not short into that. No, I'm not thinking about shorts. I'm still feeling the bulls. That being said, let's do the top to bottom analysis, but I'm still feeling the bulls. So let's check the daily quick sticks. Okay, I mean, for now, this is a bearish candle. Actually, am I feeling the bulls? Based off of that, actually, New York might be bearish. New York might be bearish. I was quite keen on bulls for London session. Let's see. I'm kind of forward testing a thought this week. Let's see if it works out. Okay, let's now check out the 4-hour quickly. I will then respond to y'all momentarily. Let me just focus for 2 minutes. I know it's weird when I focus, but it happens sometimes. 25140. I mean, we've got relative equal highs on the higher time frame going up there, as well as this has now tapped into there. Oh, this is great. I'm a little bit conflicted. Let's see. Let's see how today goes. Maybe opening is gonna go further down. Okay, it would be nice to see it take out new weekly opening gap tomorrow. Boom, yes, this week up. What do you mean this week up? This week has just started. Boom, what do you mean this week up? Let's see short market open under VWAP to... Hey Dom, how you doing? Bear in a foxhole. We're going higher, new S&P all-time high this week. Okay, bear in a foxhole, that's interesting. I would expect today to be chop. I mean, you're not exactly wrong. I mean, there was quite a massive push earlier during London. Like, quite a big... Here we go. Bitcoin, I'm guessing bearish. I'm waiting till EOD to take payout. Oh, nice, boom. Okay. So how are you gonna celebrate an awesome payout? What do you normally do to celebrate a payout? Maybe that's a weird question. You know, I've never really had a payout. Do you go and treat yourself? Do you just put it straight into like savings or something? What do people normally do? Yes, that's because people think the answers are in the charts. I mean, sometimes the answers are in the charts, or else we wouldn't be looking at them, right? Or do you not agree with that one, Bear in a Foxhole? Interesting if you don't. A very different perspective. Nkululu, go out and you'll see, if you go into my channel, you'll see there's 2 live streams. I have one that's vertical and one that's horizontal. The horizontal one will be landscape for you. Like I said, pop out, go into YouTube, go into my, into my profile, and you'll see there's 2 live streams. One is vertical, one is horizontal, so I do have one. Hey, Ghost 404 man, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How are you doing? How's it going? You are welcome. I got you. Well, maybe Boom's got you. Boom did answer you. Thanks, Boom. Thank you for answering. I appreciate it. Why do you do 2 live streams? I guess it's just for convenience for people watching. Some people prefer to watch it just like on their phones, where a vertical is easier, and some people prefer to watch it on PC or horizontal, depending. And then that's easier. Yeah, it's just keeping everybody happy, which is definitely not easy to do. Good grief. You never keep everyone happy, but this is a good way to start. Have both options. I'm not gonna lie, I might need to go and take a headache tablet. Wow, I don't know why my head is in absolute agony today, but damn, it's bad. Buy gold. Hey, Ghost, so you're trading gold, I'm assuming, and you're saying the buys are in play. Let's see. Okay, we have a few minutes. Hey, Zizu, what's my win rate? Let's say 60%. It's probably a little bit higher than 60%, closer to 64%, but my win rate is, let's just say 60%. If you know about the pressure point between your index finger and thumb, press down hard, it'll help. Like here? That was weird. What the heck, man? You can't please everyone, but thanks for making... Oh, thank you. You're welcome. I appreciate the acknowledgement. Yes, I know. Can't... Like I said, I'm not everyone's cup of tea. You know, some people like coffee. And that's fine. Not everyone's gonna like you, just in general. If we were all the same... Thanks, Juan. This is actually quite a relief. Wow. Oh, okay. This headache has been bugging me the whole day. Vertical gets more engagement for some reason. I have noticed that. I don't know why. Okay, 6 minutes left. Let's see. Hey, Sweet. Hey, Gooly, what's up? Sweet Chili, how are you doing? Hey, some guy, how are you? So I know all the tricks. It kind of sounds like it. Why do you know all the tricks? Do you suffer from like chronic headaches? Okay, a decent push-up here. Oh, gosh, I really hope it's not too choppy. Would be nice to get some decent movement here. This has been a stop. Sorry, this is more just out of curiosity. Ooh, that would have hurt my feelings. Migraines. Oh no, I'm so sorry. I don't really get migraines, but the headaches recently have been a little bit unreal. It's very frustrating. Wait, how long do we have? We have 4 minutes. Nah, I won't make it. I'll suffer through. I'll just sit here and use the pressure point. Apparently with migraines, if you put your feet in like ice cold water or something, that's supposed to help. Again, I don't really get migraines, so I would not know. But out of curiosity, I wonder if that does work. Do. Sorry, I was checking out all the new members on Discord. Super exciting. So yeah, if you are new, what's up? Welcome. Welcome to Teach Maya Trading. Some hot water and soak your feet. Now, there we go. It's hot water. Cold shock can help both migraines and headaches. Caffeine helps for some headaches. I've never heard about the caffeine helping for headaches. That's new, Angry Bob. So Angry Bob, how are you? How's it doing? How did your trade from this morning go? I see mine would have been a loss. Oh well. It is what it is. That being said, if I use the absolute full range. Again, this is curiosity, people. This is more curiosity more than anything else. Ooh, look at that. The full range looks quite good. Huh. Okie dokie. Alrighty then. Let's see. We still have a little bit of time. We've got this. Sun Guy, how was your walk? Also, how are you feeling, by the way? Caffeine does actually help. That is so wild. Wasn't there that wait. I believe it was kind of proven that it was not true English. That caffeine dehydrates you because technically you have water with the caffeine, so you're gonna have to have a lot for it to actually dehydrate you.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Just another good morning to everyone. If anyone has just joined, what's up? Welcome. Let's do this today. Short entry in Bob level down. Hey, Jonathan! What's up? Oh, I love that. Hey, good. Look at what you got cooking. Well, not much right now. Waiting for New York entry. We've done the top to bottom analysis. I'm gonna kind of low-key do a little bit of forward testing and see how this works. And if it does, I'm quite keen on it taking equal lows, London low, maybe even down to midnight open, and then continuation back. Let's see. It's just what I suspect, guys. Like I said, this is not financial advice. I'm just curious to see if it respects my thought process. Maybe that's it. Hey, Kat, what's up? How's it been going? Dom, 1 minute. Oh, is there 1 minute? Oh, okay, wait, guys. It's 9:30 open. Everyone, focus. Pay attention.
Okay, let's go.
Flip. Okay, London high taken. Interesting. It's respecting the heck out of this full range. Okie dokie. So much for that thought. But there's London high. Okie dokie then. Little tap into that volume imbalance. Rejection off of it. Bob to bob like a damn boss. Holy guacamole. Horses are off to the races. No, indeed. What the heck, man? Check. Just tapped into that volume imbalance on the higher time frames. And a rejection off of it. What is this? What is this opening candle? What is this? Why is this? Who is this? Why? Anyways, here's the 9:30 a.m. range. I am aware that my New York sessions tend to look very chaotic. I do apologize, but the more you know, the better informed you are. Drop down. Let's see. I would have told you to jump in like 40 minutes ago. Clean stop loss and pull back to Bob level. Let's see. Full port short. Hey, Rob. Rob Welsh. Full port to short. You know what? Yeah, why not? Let's just full port, people. Go for it. Let's be unhinged today. Look at the Perry booty. We got a Perry bum and a Perry tail. Do you only trade futures? I'm currency trade and I love trading currency pairs, especially those involving the JPY. This morning I managed to catch a directly bias and daily white market. For now, yeah. Hey, wow, what's wrong? Anyways, for now, yes, I only trade the New York market. New York futures markets for now. I haven't really explained. What is going on with my brain today? I'm gonna blame the headache. Do you think I can just blame the headache? Anyways, I only trade futures for now. It's what I started with, and I always said I just wanted to get good at one asset before I started jumping around. Some algos will TP here. The big boss obviously controls everything. Well, him and Finn, they control my whole life. What's shaking the big? Happy tomorrow. What's up, Muddy? I'm assuming you had a good old time. Remember zone 24840. Okay. 840. Ooh, well, it's right by midnight opening range. That'll be interesting to see. Bear in a foxhole. Yep. How many minutes do you use for your open range? So how do I put this? I draw out the 9:30 range, I draw out the 5-minute range, and I draw out the 15-minute range. Maybe that's a bit excessive. I also draw out the first presented fair value gap, because I'm still kind of forward testing the ranges a little bit and seeing which work out best. But yes, I tend to use the 1-minute. Geez, look at how it's respecting this volume imbalance here. That being said, I would have expected to see more of a bounce off of it. Like if it's gonna reject, it needs to start rejecting solidly. Ooh. Bob level to Bob level here would be quite nice. That rejection wick there. Hiccups. Sorry. Double wick. This might start going down now. I'm watching this carefully. So it's gonna be, I mean, the 5-minute range and the 9:30 range are basically the same thing right now. Patrick, hi, yes, there we are. God, the 7, wow. What has worked best for you so far for open range? Full port lock. Oh my goodness, Rob. Hey, Lobadaba, what's up? How you doing? How's the trading been going? How you doing? Hey, joy of travel on a scale of 1 to 10, 7 being the highest. How's trading been today? That's a question for everybody else. How's trading been for everybody? I haven't taken any trades, so meh, I guess. Aw, TradingView Live, you are amazing. What's up? How you doing? Let me actually get a little bit more comfortable. There we go. Let's do this. Still no first presented. Juan, that suspicion of choppiness today appears to be working out. TradingView Live, how you been, by the way? Wait, TradingView Live, here's the next question. Are you on Discord? we go. I'll be your first present. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
That was good. That was really, really good. Ayo, Sakutai, what's up? We're 5 minutes in. We are. And not much has happened. Hey, it's still stuck in this 9:30 a.m. range. I'll mark out the 5:30 range, but it's basically the same as 9:30 a.m. I mean, the 9:30 range. Well, yeah, whatever. Here's the 5-minute range. They're pretty much equal. Let's see now what happens next. That cat still don't have a first presented. I'm quite keen on these equal lows and London low being taken out now. Took out the London, popped into the volume imbalance on the higher time frame here that I did mark out. You can see I did mark this out. It also went into, no, it has not tapped into the new weekly opening gap yet. Yeah, sorry, there's a lot of chaos going on there. I apologize about that, but I know that it tapped into a bit of a volume imbalance. Wow, would seriously? We're just struggling. We're struggling to break above and we're struggling to break below. We are stuck right now. We are stuck. Okay. Trade place now, it's hands off. Traders now. I will just close my screen and let it do a thing. Ooh, okay. Joy of travel, what did you take? Long or short? Hey Hogs, how you doing? I think we bounced back up to take highs. There we go. I'm still keen on it coming for these equal lows, maybe back to midnight range, midnight opening price. That's what I suspect. I could be wrong, guys. Like I said, obviously I'm still new. Some days I bang on correct. Other days I mess it up completely. Hey Deepak, what's up? Crazy mining stocks blew up 350 today for my long hold. Damn, John, that's good. You want to take long for scalp 840, 825 is a good idea for it. Yeah, see. Oh, it's starting to rain properly here today. Nice. I'm also on your Discord, but normally I watch your TikTok or YouTube live streams before following your journey as well. Now, ask you how long you've been learning and use. Yeah, exactly. Well, I only started trading April last year, so literally this time last year, I still didn't know what a candle was, which if you think about it is pretty wild. Yeah, this time last year, I didn't even know what a candle was. Wow, when you put it into perspective, it's quite wild. Long. Okay, so joy of travel, you're in a long. No, some guy. I'm well balanced. Good night, nice muddy. How's Kara? Oh, there we go. 12:40 a.m. here. You never right or wrong market just proves or disproves your thesis. Ooh, Rob, I like that. That was very. I'm gonna start using that. You are never wrong. All right. Well. Wait. Let me copy paste that. You're never right or wrong. Market just proves or disproves your thesis. I'ma copy paste that because I like it. Let's do this. Hey Surya, what's up? You're better off not knowing. A bear in a foxhole. Facts. No, I'm kidding. I really enjoy this. Well, not whatever the heck this is right now, but I enjoy trading, so. Since when have I started trading? You're in, sorry, that's what I was just saying. April last year. I started trading April last year. Headed back down to 24845. Catch? You think that? Oh, I guess actually 4-5. Yep. I agree with you. I do agree. Ooh, let's see if this closes. Do we have our first presented over here? Ooh, into barb level. Let's see if it respects. It's now closed below. That's something. Is there news today? Before I get too excited, is there news today? Please say no. And away we go. 6, 5, 4, holy moly, 3, 2, 1. What in the world is that? What the hatedly day, man? All right then. Here's our first presented fair value gap. Bruh. Little tap into VWAP. Ooh. Curiosity. Shoot, I don't know if it's going to retest this far up. I don't know if it's going to retest this far up, but this could be quite nice. No, it's not going to retest this far up. No, sugar honey iced tea. You're just running away from me, and that's so rude. Going past my point of interest. That's mean, man. That is so mean. Okie dokie. It's just left the station without me. Bruh. Well, I had the correct idea. Coming back down. The candlestick being loading closed 2 months. Sometimes it feels so hard to understand though, but yeah. Aw, pretty view live, you're so sweet. When you're wrong, you take 3 laps and you're still right. There we go. No news. Thank you, Maddie. I told you. James? What's up? Yeah, with trading you can be right but be wrong with timing. Ooh, Nkululu, I like that. Because that's facts. Don't catch a balling knife? No, I know.
Emotional damage.
Damn, some guy. Damn, you went for it. You went for it. Wow. Wow. I'm late, did you hit loss? Hey! T-Prime, no, I haven't taken a trade yet. I'm glad that I called it correctly though. Ooh. Okay, let's see if I can. Let's see if this is maybe a silly goose idea. Sure. Okay. I'm pulling a face because this is huge. 179 it is. If I had to take the seller would be there. I'm doing this while I check the higher time frames quickly, but I like it. Only downside is that that's not ideal. 1, 2, 3. But I've got a bunch here. The first presented would be a little bit better if it was a little bit bigger. I want to tap into it slightly more. Top shelf in the background has just enough space for a katana. Ooh, I would love a katana, to be fair. That would be awesome. I think those are so cool. New York Open is always... And bye-bye, it goes. Cool. Never mind. Took out my points of interest. Equal lows and London low have officially been taken. Going back down. What's that? Oh, you can't see, but he's just resting his head here. Okay. Just because you're cute. I should actually be making you do things for this, but anyways. You're adorable. Hey, Raphael, what's up? Of course I remember you. My happy Jamaican friend. 5-minute call if he wants to stop being. Enjoy the pan, if not, he'll be gone forever. Damn! Y'all are strict here, I love it. Okay, so equal lows and London low. Yeah, wait, for who? Did James say something else? That's hilarious if he did. So Training View Live, I've been learning market structure, how to read candlesticks, but there's so many things to understand and learn. But I feel better knowing that you also struggle and it motivates me and I'm 20. Aw, Trading View Live, that's amazing. Yeah, listen, it's hard, man. And just when you think you're starting to get the hang of things, someone mentions something else and you go, why? I don't understand. But then you learn that and then you go, oh. It's a little bit, sorry, I'm going to use gym as an analogy. I know a lot of you are going to be like, whatever. But, you know, it's like someone, if you had to start gymming, eventually what used to be your whole routine is going to be a warm-up. It's just going to get easier and easier. I really have a feeling it's going to want to go up towards that 1 hour fair value gap. Bounty on my head, you're in a short right now? No, I wanted to get into a short, but it's running away. It ran away without me. I was keen on the short. But it completely ran away without me. It took out the equal lows and the London low, which I was keen on. It could still go down to midnight open. Maybe take out Asia low. Sorry, Muddy, I must actually close this because it was hit. Maybe take out Asia low, but I'm still feeling bearish. Hey, Noreen, sorry. Did my Wi-Fi freak out? Sorry. Hey, Bug Dot, what's up? I need to turn my computer off. No, Muddy, yeah, Muddy, leave, or no looking at charts. Bad. Next entry when it touches VU app. Band-aid on arm is covering the decision. Resurgence in plasma. Dog. Oh my gosh, Band-Aid on Maya's arm is covering the incision where surgeons implanted the dog Maya's got in her. That, Merbanana, that was hilarious. It's dropping down to 248.45. I could still take the short. LP, no, I cannot. I cannot take the short. Not a chance can I take the short. It's not gonna go back up. Ooh, if I was doing bob levels, I could have taken this bob to bob. I really need to make a decision with the bob levels. I'd also like to see it retest back into this. Let's see, maybe I could, let's see now that it's here and it's starting to make a bit of more of a decision. Back down to here would be my point of interest. I could, okay, wait, I've placed it. I've got 1, 2, hasn't retested here, so that's pretty solid fair value gap. 2, 3, what does this look like on the 5 minute though? Could tap into there. Oh, I'm not a fan that the stop loss is below there. But if it's gonna go higher, it needs to go solidly back up. Oh my gosh, it's taken out a lot of sell side liquidity. But it does look like it's going back down. Sure, it's taken out a lot of sell side liquidity back down into here. Do have that bias though. Let's see, 15 minutes. Sorry, my face is because this is the damn 15-minute candle. What the heck, man? The 15-minute candle is 160 points. Bro, that's not okay. That is not okay. Oh shoot. I forgot it was open. That's not great, is it? Oh well. Realizing, yep, there goes my TP. 1, follow your plus strategy, 2, not feel firm, and 3, be comfortable with sitting on the sideline. No, that's true. Okay, never a loss OTT, no, 100%. I want to see it reject properly here. If it does not reject properly here, I'm screwed. For lack of a better word, I'm completely screwed if it doesn't reject solidly off of this fair value gap. Well, that was bad. My trade was not activated. No, do it. Well, I mean, yay / no. Now I'm confused. Yay, no, boo. Happiness, kind of. Well, mine is activated, but I could be completely screwed now because it's in the 15-minute. I forgot that I'd left this open. That's bad. I forgot I'd left it open. Oh well. Let's see, I would like to see a little bit more of a rejection off of here. Come on, reject, reject. Okay, promising with that. A little less promising with that. It's still gonna drop just a minor pullback. Where the market's going in both directions. True. I think it's just gonna go back down to VWAP, potentially. Try to stop me wrong quick. No! Are you crazy? What I do want to do is this. Take partials here. I want to see it go further down. Come on, drop below, drop below, drop below, drop below. Damn, it's tapping VWAP on ES and M&Q at the same time. Shoot. Sugar, honey, iced tea. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like Rob Welsh. Try to stop you wrong quickly. That's one way of looking at it. If this 1 minute candle closes below the 1 minute fair value gap, it's gonna keep dropping. Let's see. I don't know. It's rejecting off of VWAP, but the sellers are in play. Nice point of interest would be Asia low. If it is rejecting, come on. Close below, we have 10 seconds, it's respecting. Nope, go down, go down, go down, let's go. 5, 4, 3, close below the 50% of the fair value gap. Shoot. That tap on ES isn't great, I agree. This is horse racing. Change my mind. Go down. Go down. Go down. Rob Walsh? Not so much. A little bit more promising here. Keep dropping, keep dropping. Nope. Stop respecting that level. I can't believe I'm saying stop respecting that level, but stop it. $14, $13. I needed to close solidly below 10, 9, 8. Come on. Not bad if I was the next candle gonna tell us what's going on. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Move your mouse away from the close button. OTT. Don't you dare. OTT's there just yelling at me. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hands off. Hands off until 50% mark. Leave it alone. Let's see. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's hands off. Actually, theoretically, for a short, this is quite good. Remember, I always said when it comes to shorts, you want to see it go up quickly and then go back down. But I guess I would have preferred to see this go down a little bit faster than it's going down right now. But anyways. Still hasn't hit that 50%, come on. Sugar, honey, iced tea. One. Well, let's see, Dom, let's see. Bob to Bob would be ideal. Are we gonna get it though? You want to see it drop fast, but yeah, it looks... No, I agree with you, Muddy. You want to see, especially with shorts, you want to see it go up quickly and then drop down even faster. SMT... Ooh, a huge SMT has now been created on ES. Look at that. Thank you. Follow what ES is doing, please. And thanks. Sure, the buyers are not letting the sellers take this right now, are they? Let's see. ES is moving really nicely. Damn, look at ES go. That now makes me not too happy, but okay. ES created an SMT. I want to see it go further down. Sugar honey. Hey, Wes, what's up? WCO KZN. Oh, well, interesting. Actually, I came from Pretoria side, but I'm now living KZN. What's up? How did you know? Also, where's fun biltong? I love it. Biltong. Oh, thanks. Now I'm in the mood for biltong. Appreciate it. That was low-key rude, but it is what it is. Oh, SMT at the swing. Why isn't 1 minute SMTs for shorts? Oh my, this is like amazing. Hey, Jermaine, what's up? Hey, Joy of Travel. Yes and no. Yes and no. Oh, that was a good rejection off of the level to level. That was a nice one. This is now looking a little bit better for me. It's still hands off regardless. Right, it should keep dumping. Only downside is we got is the drop sweep. No, I agree, OTT. My point of interest was actually the London low with the equal lows. It sounds like yours was similar. That, I agree with you, that was the downside. That was my point of interest for it to go and take out, which it did, but it created then such a nice... Let's see. Hey, Obito, what's up? Needed that rejection. Yeah, it did. It needed that rejection. Now we good? Well, okay, let's not say we're good. We're going slowly. Oh, so slowly. I'm curious about something on ES though. That's not ideal. I didn't take out the 50% on ES. That's not always the best thing that you want to see, but okay, let's carry on. Well, ES didn't, and ES still showing strength lower, true. I think it's the buy of the day. Jermaine, you think it's buy now? Well then, bye-bye to me, hey. Oh, why would you jinx that? That was mean. Cutting. Went for safer. I'm in Scotland 7 years from Durban. What? No ways! Oh my gosh, how is Scotland? I've always wanted to visit Scotland. I don't know why. It's just always been my... I kind of want to say go-to. I've always wanted to visit Scotland. It looks amazing. Cold, wet and rainy, but amazing. Goes by this wick. Sure. The buyers are not letting the sellers win on ES. Wow. Okay. theoretically, I should actually mitigate my risk by half here. But this could come back up and take me out. Half is there. I do have some points from the top there. Sugar, honey, iced tea. What time is it? Oh, it's 10. Oh no. That's not good. Shoot. I didn't check the time. I didn't check the time. I didn't check the time. Shoot. Come on, reject off of VWAP, reject off of VWAP. Hands off, hands off, hands off. Is there any news today? Apparently not, Joy of Travel. Don't let emotions take over. You got your model, let it play out. True. Good wick to the upside. Good with the 10 a.m. Good rejection off of VWAP on ES. Okay. No, I really want to try leaving my stop loss alone. I need to try leaving my stop loss alone. Regardless of what happens, leave it alone. Only move it to break even when partials are taken. Hey, Karan, what's up? I took one this month. Damn, Abito, that's impressive. What the heck, man? I'm actually not even going to look anymore. When it beeps, it beeps. 10 a.m. isn't going to reverse, it's just going to keep dumping. For our PF3 that we are created, we keep flushing. Okay. Well, either way, it's hands off. It's hands off. You are correct. I must actually be better at just once I'm in the trade, leaving it the heck alone. So I'm just going to keep chatting to you guys. I'm not even going to look. I just arrived. What am I trading? Hey, is it Pepego? What's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I'm on the 1 minute time frame. What's up? Markets at risk at the moment. You say iron will 7% odds, metals to rise, markets to fall. That's interesting. Where's the fun bull song? Okay, wait. Scotland is so like a mystical place. When the sun comes out, though, I live in a big tree country. Ooh. Been trading for fear, so I'm enjoying your stream. Aw, that is amazing. Hugh, I'm so glad that you hopped on. There's no reason for it to go up beside the London sweep. Because when you put the trade on, that was your setup. No, that's true. That is true. That is true. So I am... It's hands off now. It's hands off. Whatever happens, happens. I had my risk set. Sorry. Random messages from... Like I said, I am now leaving it. I saw that on the side there. I saw that on the side there. Okay, leave it alone. Okay, let's see. Wow, that was a decent freaking... Look at ES go. What the heck, man? Damn, ES. Come on, take it up. Okay, wait for the beep. Wait for the beep. But often, as you've seen, it'll tick you out, then dump a TP. True. True, you're right. It's just, okay. When it comes to the mitigation, this is where the debate kind of goes between risk management, right? Isn't it better to have a risk management where you mitigate your risk more when the odds are in your favor? May the odds forever be in your favor. Does that make sense? Break even. I cannot go break even yet, Stefan. Yep. Them's against the rules. Them's against the rules. Needed to drop a little bit more and then I can go break even. Wow. Okay, I took out some relative equal lows on ES. Come on, drop down a little bit more. Yes, baby. Now I can go break even. Okay, I don't know if I'm being greedy for aiming for Asia low, but I feel like Asia low is a good go-to. Hey LMW, welcome back. I know you, I remember you. I shorted, what's up? At times yes, but more than often no. You want to take your trade was the willing risk to start. No, that's valid, that's valid, that's valid. Thanks, Nutty. Like I said, so my final, I've technically left a quote-unquote runner to Asia low. I think that's a decent point of interest. So theoretically, if I wanted to add more for a short, this would be the point 899. I'm actually then just gonna move this to there. Cool. Let's see. Thank you for watching. Whoop whoop. Nice, Dom. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop for anyone that got in on that. I'm not going to, but out of curiosity, let's say I took more here. Curiosity. I'm not going to. I don't want to be greedy. I'm still in this trade. If I wanted to add to position, I would add at, what's this, 898. Like there? Like a few points? Interesting. Okay. I see I only long you see, so waiting to see if QQQ turns right. Oh, interesting, LMW. Why do you only long? Out of curiosity. Oh, Alexandra, that's so sweet. You're so sweet. That's not a bad idea. Yeah. That being said, how much am I up? Profit plus... No, that's not what I'm up. I'm up 228, so I could. It would only go up around 300 and something. I needed to go up 4. It is an A+ setup, but it did just take out... Oh, so many. Oh. So much sell-side liquidity. So many. So much sell-side liquidity on ES. Wow. Oh, Alexander, that's so sweet. Thank you. No specific reason. It's just what I focus on. Oh, that's... I mean, that's valid. That's valid. What's up, Alexander? How can I help you, bud? Yes, I just called you bud. I'm sorry. That's going down, down. Yeah. See, this is good for this. Oh, man. See, part of me kind of wants to, but I feel like it's greedy. I'm not gonna... Let me get a little bit more confident with potentially taking or adding on. Like, I could add another one here, but... Let's not be greedy, right? Let's not be greedy. Hey, Skyline Horizons, what's up? 1 minute order flow still bearish, so yep. Alexander, what's the best strategy in trading? That's a bit of a loaded question. I don't think there is a best or worst strategy in trading. Back down there. Come on, Angelo. Always take when you can. What do you mean always take when you can? Like take profit when you can? Is that what you mean? I mean, to be fair here, let's see. I want to see it keep dropping a little bit lower now. Come on. This is going to midnight. Hey, DLF Restoration, what's up? How you doing? Yeah, never a bad idea to just take your win. No, that's true, especially because it's taking resistance there. But that being said, theoretically, yeah. Oh, everyone's saying get out. What if I just move this to here? There we go. I'll just follow the swings. Close and enter along. Why along? There we go. Let's see if you guys were correct. Here would have been entry. I'd followed that down. Awesome. If I was correct, I don't know, you all owe me something. What does the strategy say? I've only had one win, Alex. Let's see, if this does go all the way back down, you'll owe me a cupcake. The bullish for value gap forms, we may start looking for longs. Till then, still here in a box. Okay, deal. Nice. Okay, deal. Just gotcha, but always move stop loss into profit as soon as you have the space to breathe. Oh, don't worry, I always do, especially so I take partial at 1 and then I move it to break even, so that's what I did. Then I kind of moved it down to where this stop loss would have been, and now we're still going down. Okay, who owes me a cupcake? Patio Canada, what's up? How do you sniff out the ups and downs? I wouldn't say I sniff them out. I would say I have a strategy for it. Maya, we need a honk command. Do exclamation mark goose. There's a silly goose. Oh, cheers, some guy. You're my little cupcake. You're my cupcake. Da da da. Have you guys heard that song? Oh, part of me thinks I'm gonna be salty about this here. Let's see. Let's see if I'm gonna be salty or not. Cheers, some guy. Hope you're feeling better, bud. I wanted to say by the way, and I ended up saying bud. I'm sorry. I hope you're feeling better. Can you play music while trading? Yeah, of course you can. Why? Depends though. Depends on what music you play. I think relaxing music would theoretically be better. We owe you the whole damn wedding cake, Eddie. Oh gosh, these are truly stop loss on swing trades without ATP. Okay, see, but I don't do swing trading, so. Do I listen to Porter Robinson? No. Who's that, Wonder Kid? It's a bad thing that I don't know who that is. I'm gonna leave it like that. I don't know what this means. There's still a win. We're still in the green. I do still have room to take another trade. I'm only up 200 and something dollars. So I do have room for another trade. Let's see, but this does low-key look like it's gonna go sideways. I still like it to go down and touch Asia low though. Oh, give me a second. The greatest musician, songwriter, and producer of this generation. Porter Robinson. See, now I'm gonna have to look up Porter Robinson. Porter Robinson. Porter Robinson. I'm not gonna play it because I'm gonna get slapped with problems. I do, but I'm gonna have to check it out now. Ah, artist. Okay, I'm gonna have to check out his music after stream then, because now I'm curious. Oh, I'm so happy I'm not trading today. Sorry, Muddy. You know you're not my bro. Kara's my bestie, though. Come on, don't be greedy. No, you're right. You got Justin. Take the win, yes. Oh, change my balance. Right, maybe change my balance. What is it at? 325.20. Okie dokie, so balance is up, so we are on the green to start this week. That's not bad. That being said, that's how last week started. And we know how last week went, so, but no, let's be positive. We've got this. Last week was a pain in the butt, but what? I'm sure it'll be fine. Last week started kind of like this, but I'm sorry, I'm saying but a lot. Let's go back. Let's just focus on this chart. Hang on. You'll become a humble person soon with a lot of money. Aw, Alexander, I appreciate that. I wish, but I appreciate that. I wish I was as cool as some people are and I could go and buy a purple Ferrari. If you know, you know. I wish one day when I'm big, maybe I can buy myself. I don't even know if I'd want to. What are we doing? OTT, we're getting a pink Bugatti. We're not buying a purple Ferrari, we're getting a pink Bugatti. Just dropped him to say I got simply slipped into London. No! No way, Solly, what happened? What happened, Solly? I'm so sorry. Keeper's Nurture album will change your life. I'm on it, Wonder Kid. I'll go check it out. Is that real account? Yeah. It's my funded account. Yep. Funded. I've learned if you score a few times, it's that last trade that wipes it out. He touched the butt. Soon humble if I keep dunking on you. Yeah, because Solly is here for one reason and one reason only, and it is to cause me
emotional damage.
This I got purely for Solly. Purely for Solly, because Solly is here for this one reason and one reason only. Literally, he hops on here to cause emotional damage because he thinks it's funny. Anyways. I was gonna say it's a pink Bugatti, yeah. My Archer saying a forbidden F word. Wait, what forbidden F word? I didn't say F. What, huh? Oh, Ferrari, that one might be. I closed all my brokerage accounts, don't be greedy. Yeah, no, that's true, guys, don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Some colors should not be allowed for sports cars. You don't like the idea of a pink Bugatti? That's mean. I'm burnout. How much did you lose, Alex? It's funny. Trust me, when you well off, you don't want a Rari or a Scotty. Why? What? What would you want then? Okay, no, to be fair, guys, I already know what I would want one day when I'm big. And sweet and simply, it's a Bucky. Don't ask me what Bucky. I just need a Bucky that can tow a horse box. So I need a Bucky and a horse box. Both of those things are expensive, so... You want an airplane? Damn, Rob. We're over here. You're aiming for the damn skies. Get it? You're aiming for the skies because you're looking for an airplane. I feel like that deserves a timeout because that was such a lame joke. Wednesday should be the major move of the week. Interesting. Bugatti is the future. I feel like that terrible, terrible joke actually deserves a 1 minute timeout. I would like a new van. Ooh. Bucky's a pickup truck. Yes. It is. Hi, Mark One. How you doing, by the way? Long time no chat. Sorry, it's a pickup truck. Sorry. South Africa, we call them Buckies. I have two, one, two, three. Time out. Rob, what did you just say? You have 2 airplanes? What? You should buy a sports car and tell your ex you want to race his car. Alex, that's hilarious. It's not like we have demo. Fuck, what? I'm good, I'm good. Here we go. Okay, wait. I'll put myself in a 1-minute timeout because that was absolutely embarrassing. Give me a second. It was bad. I apologize. I'll put myself in a minute timeout because that joke was absolutely disgusting. So, are you guys ready? 1-minute timeout for saying that absolute terrible, terrible joke. That's 2 minutes. Ready and... Okay. Done. This is not looking good with the pullback. Hey, Skyline. Don't worry, I'm out the trade, guys. I'm not in the trade. Don't stress. Nobody panic. I'm already out the trade. It is what it is. I'm already in the green. Nobody panic. Nobody panic. Okay. Is that the 5-minute time frame? No, sorry, Alexander. This is the 1 minute. Why is there so much peace right now? You guys are so mean. You guys are so mean. Hey, Lucky. We love you just the way you are. Wow. You guys really did wake up and choose violence. Muddy, I thought you loved me, and here you are proving that actually you don't. But anyways, guys, we had a whoop whoop. Took out a nice partial, so it wasn't a full TP, but still in the green. Skyline. Oh, you're still in it? You're still in the short? Damn. Okay. Damn. Skyline, what are you aiming for, by the way? Where's your TP at? Look at that bob to bob. No. Oh my gosh. That's actually true. Bob to bob like a boss. This is ridiculous. Rejection, bob to bob, rejection. I would actually like to see this go bob to bob again. Damn, okay, wait. Skyline, you might still be good to go. Nope, don't like that. Watch it work out now. Let's see how this goes. Want a better rejection? Nah, okay, not rejecting off of that. Fair value gap. Gonna reject off of VWAP? Nope. Do we think this is just gonna be Chop City after this, which is kind of gonna suck, but it is what it is. Do I have a pet? I don't like calling him my pet because that sounds terrible, but yes, I do. He's my child. We're going for it. 76. Like 2477 down here, or are you saying like 077? I do, don't you know that when you care about someone, you can take them without any ill intent? Well, you know, Maddie, if you're gonna come at me with facts, I can't argue with you, can I? Anyways. Your Asia. Oh, thank you, Stefan. Thank you. Is that a Mojo Jojo? No, it's not a Mojo Jojo. Is it? This might be a Mojo Jojo. No ways. 2 Mojo Jojos in one day. What are the odds? Nope, that is not where I wanted that to be. Anyways. 2 Mojo Jojos in... Wow. Okay. Definitely looking better for a sell. I can't believe there's 2 Mojo Jojos in one day. Muddy the Australian way. I'm still in down. What indicators am I using? Is that VWAP? Yes, I got VWAP open and that's about it. Muddy, you think it's going to consolidate? Is that gold or Bitcoin? Oh no, this is Nasdaq futures. What's up?
Emotional damage.
That scared me so much. Come on, let's just go Discord. Skyline probably just my luck. Hey, got this. Nothing is gonna happen today. Dog is my favorite. Hey, chill dude, what's up? You're so reasonable, to be honest. Muddy? What the heck, man? I am, but don't forget I'm also like one of the guys, so yes, I am a dudette. I don't know. I am one of the guys, but I am a girl. Believe it or not, I am a girl. And I'm a girl that likes guys, just before someone says anything. Hamza, can I break down the trade I took? Of course I can. Is it 200 MB? Ooh, 200 EMA is not bad. What about XAU USD? Hey tribe, what's up? I don't trade that unfoot. Sorry, curiosity is getting the best of me here. If this is the case of it's gonna take out Asia low, and if I left it at break even, you'll owe me cupcakes. Okay, I'm just saying, you'll owe me cupcakes. Maya, can you give some advice to 28 people watching you right now? Patience pays. Patience. Patience pays, guys. Wait for your setups. Was that what you were kind of looking for? Or do you want random fun facts like sharks have no bones? Or a baby rabbit's called a kitten? Oh, sorry. Break down the trade I took. Oh, of course I can. So, sweet and simply... Maybe a little bit risky, but that being said, eh. So, I took it... I drew my GAN from... top to bottom. Okay. That's not right. I took it from top to bottom. There we go. That's it. So use the range, top of the range, bottom of the range. So had to make sure I had 3 confluences. I had this huge fair value gap that had not been tapped into yet. So it was a very good fair value gap, as well as a shelf and an order block on a higher time frame. And what was the last one? Well, I said a shelf and an order block. And there was the 5-minute and 9:30 AM range as confluences for my stop loss. So all of those are really, really good. And then to the sell side. So the only downside with this trade is that it did take out equal lows and London low. Hear that, David? Huh? Muddy, your brain needs to be studied. Why? Ah, hear that, David? I'm using the 5-minute chart. Oh, Skylar, I mean, the 5-minute chart's really good. Ooh, check, Mojo Jojo is working out nicely. So close below. Let's see if this works out. Maya has 5 indicators, VWAP and 4 eyes. Were you mocking my glasses? Lucky. Were you mocking my glasses? Some charts are hard. Yes, I'll buy the cupcakes. Honestly, well played. Thank you. Maya, you look like a gangster. Thanks. The way you say shelf makes me want to do the thing where you feel like your dog's face. Because they say it's so cute. Yeah. When something's too cute. This is not a weird thing about humans. Sorry, we're back to random philosophical conversation again because I took a whoop whoop and I'm happy now. He weapon for us. Yeah, that was Rude. True the wedge. Baron Fox, so what's up? It's not called a wedge. It's called the Mojo Jojo. Okay, okay. But isn't it weird how humans, if something is so cute, you wanna unalive it? I'm gonna stay PG-13. Let's say unalive it. I roll my eyes when I see people say that or do that on social media. But let's not get cancelled today. Today is not the day to get cancelled. We're still too young to get cancelled. When I'm an old, grumpy grandma, then I can get cancelled. Then I don't care. Does this VWAP tell volatility or momentum or something? No, it tends to be a little bit of a magnet, and price tends to want to reject off of it. So I mean, you can see here how it respected it. It keeps wanting to bounce off of it. Same on ES. Check here. ES bounces off of it hectically, but rejected off of it solidly. So VWAP is the volume weighted value weighted. I'm gonna butch this. Volume weighted average price. Thank you, Maya. Damn, brain cells. Cool. Cupcakes? Who owes me cupcakes? Alan told you. 3:11:30. I have an interview. Oh, cheers, Alex. Bye. Continue. Not unalive. Psycho talk right there. I'm sorry. Can you remove your my sunglasses? I'm sorry. Do you think these are sunglasses? These are just glasses because I'm blind. Because as Solly says, I'm an auntie. Okay, Mojo Jojo worked pretty damn well. On top of the Mojo Jojo... Ooh, wait a minute. To be fair, the Mojo Jojo didn't work that well earlier, but anyways. Okay, no one owes me cupcakes yet. Only when it takes out, or if it takes out Asia Low, do you guys owe me cupcakes? I don't know why I'm in the mood for cupcakes, but you know, cupcakes for the win. Control-Alt-Delete is a better term. Lucky? That is hilarious. I'm gonna start doing that. I'm on my scotch now and I have to get up soon. Muddy, you're about to go into work intoxicated. Now that's doctor glasses. 1, 2, 3. My eyes get so. I mean, to be fair, Solly, I do read a lot of books. I read a lot of books. VWAP is where the institutional trade as well. Huh, there we go. Those bags.
Emotional damage.
Sorry, Perry. I had to just take a step back because I am sorry. The bags under your eyes. It's called being old and having to adult. It's not fun. Wow. You know what? Maybe I should just start identifying as a raccoon because I got like these rings around my eyes. I'm constantly hungry. I'm a bit of a trash panda. I find it's under VWAP sell over VWAP buy. Wait. I find if it's under VWAP sell over VWAP buy, still under the 20 MA, under VWAP on 5 minute time frame. Skyline, that's interesting because a lot of people would be interested in taking a sell or buy to VWAP, right? Because it is still a little bit like a magnet. Look at this go. Also, Solly, no, I will not stop talking about cupcakes. I would still be in this trade. Trade gold so I can follow. I mean, I can have a look at gold. I'm not great at trading gold though, I'm not gonna lie. And she was taking a portion of my wife's time of her wife. Oh, I read fiction. What is happening with the English today? Does they make up 85% of volume? You got OWS old woman syndrome. Wow. Lucky, apparently I do. Do I know how to cook? Meh. I can. I can cook. I'm okay at cooking. It's dangerous to have me in the kitchen. And bake cup. Oh, I love baking. I do enjoy baking. It's just expensive to go and bake things. But I do like baking. But like I said, to get the ingredients to bake things is a lot. Back down. Okie dokie. Like I said, I love cupcakes. Solly, me too. Cupcakes are awesome. Anyway, wait. You mean actual cupcakes, right? Just before I say something dumb, because I think you guys are actually being nice and innocent, and you guys are not being nice and innocent. Hello. You. Oh. Yes. Okay. There it is. Expensive to bake. I am poor. You are welcome, and you just called me bro. I am broke. You are correct. I know. Hello. The main man is here. We all know that. You guys are only here to see him. Let's just be real. Look there. Yeah. Ugh. We're going for Asia Learn now. Yes. Do you think this is still gonna mess around though? That'd be okay. Okay. Yeah, give me a pause. Good boy. Other paw. Good boy. Who's such a good boy? Up. Yep. Oh my gosh, you guys should see how he's sitting right now. Oh my gosh. You are too cute. You are so cute. I love papaya. That was very random, but I mean papaya is good. Basically, at least from my understanding, VUF is where most of the volume is. Institutional traders look for these areas to buy and sell because they don't want to disrupt the market. Interesting. I mean, it makes sense. I thought we were bros now. Mighty, how often do I have to apologize for saying that? That's all. How many times do I have to apologize for saying that? Before I am forgiven. Ooh, okay. Good rejection off of the midnight. Went bob to bob again. Decent engulfing candle here. Let's see what happens from here. Curiosity is getting the best of me. Let's see how this reacts. I did reject off of this level there. Ooh, I'm sitting like a shrimp. Better posture. Good. Kululu, what breed is my dog? Oh, he's a pavement special. Yeah, he's a mix of everything. MACD is weak at the minute. Harry needs intro music. That's adorable. What would his intro music be though? Oh, and I almost got tempted to take a short. And the Perry the Platypus music for videos and firm stock. Oh! I kind of dig that. Give me a second. Let me see if I can find Perry the Platypus. Okay, wait. I'll do it. Wait, let me make a note. I'll do it tomorrow. Harry the Platypus. That's not gonna be stuck in my head. Thank you very much. Ah, got you. So you don't want me to call you bro. Got it. Double standards. What I called you bro once. Anyways. Oriole, we need a Perry command. Okay, I'm on it, guys. I'm on it. Institutional traders are constantly buying and selling. So if the volume, the zone where they want to buy or sell, is above the price, it shows they're probably selling. TP at Abita, whoop whoop, that's amazing. Abita, what do you trade? I think I've asked you this. I'm not sure. Oh, this is itchy now. What do you trade? Because I mean, you said you've had one loss this month. That's pretty damn good. I mean, what's your win rate normally? I'm out. No more shorts for me. Mad crab. Let's see here. Oh, good tap into there. So it would have been 1, 2. Okay, this would have only been 2. Damn, okay, well done, Mojo Jojo. Check out Respected the Mojo Jojo going back down. Interesting. Yeah, buddy, that's what I thought. Asia Low being tickled. It is. It really, really is. Hoping it breaks the double bottom on the 5 minute. 1 to 3. Okay, but like, what do you trade? Do you trade ICT? What do you trade? Thanks, Muddy. Yes, whoop whoop. Sorry, guys. I've been really bad with saying whoop whoop to everyone. I apologize. Massive whoop whoop to anyone that has had winning trades. Well done, guys. Anyone in profit today. Huge whoop whoop. Very well deserved. Proud of you guys. AU and AG are on fire. Ooh, really? John, what are they doing? High resistance today. Oh. ICT, like, Obito, strictly ICT? Let's maybe ask that. Strictly ICT or meh? Or cupcakes? Sorry, I was gonna say something and I was like, don't do it, 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 don't do it. It's okay, don't do it. Okay, while we're having... let's take this moment to say this. So, guys. Hi, welcome, what up? Wait. Okay, no one knows me cupcakes just yet. Just yet being the keyword. Cupcakes are on their web. Anyways, well, I have you guys. Don't forget to... What is this doing? Why is it doing that? Okay, for some reason you guys can see that. Anyways, don't forget to press that like button. I have no clue why it's doing that. Don't forget to press that like button. If you guys want to show support, if you do use any of the prop firms in my thingy-mabobby below, I forgot the word, description, because the brain just isn't braining today. If you guys use any of the prop firms in my description below and you want to show some extra love and support as well as get some discounts, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. I think that's it. That was it. That was the whole spiel that I wanted to do quickly while we're waiting. I have no clue why it's showing that. It shouldn't be showing this, but it is. Moving on. Just ICT. Interesting. Okay, Vito. I just clinched him. Just... Ayo, Rippy. Yes, the Mojo Jojo worked like a dream. What's up, Rippy? How are you? Works best for me for entry, at least for long, is when it's above VWAP, but only slightly. It's too far above. It means it's overbought. Could start selling, and below VWAP
Emotional
generally a
damage.
no-go. That's interesting. They said 8 billion for stocks yesterday. What does this mean? Will Nvidia stock go down? Nokia is one of them. Gold will fly. Teach by all caps, no get. You're so old, you're... Oh! You sorry, that was... I actually went dead quiet there. Solly! Yeah, yes, I got flappy underarms, but I also have triceps. What's your point, bud? Wow! Just wow. If I do this, I got at least some decent triceps and they don't flap at all. But that, wow. Thank you to me. That is very sweet. I am, what do you mean? Solly's on thin ice. I am tempted to put Solly on a timeout. That was so rude. I just looked at Violin. Oh, nice, Stefan. And what do you think? Did I get your Mr. Monkey? I'm gonna call you Mr. Monkey. I did. So what does it mean for Nvidia that they have now invested 8 billion in 4 stocks? Anyone have thoughts on that with regards to Nvidia? Good, looking good for me. Yes, Skyline, noise. It is going really slowly. Check out this. Interesting. Okay. Didn't retap into... Oh, if I was cheeky, I would do this. Oh, if I was cheeky, I would do... Unmitigated, got a shelf, got an order block. Oh my gosh, should I be cheeky? Did you just freeze? I did, Solly. You did it. You made me speechless. the old ladies at the canteen at school talking about, you know, the ones that are so rude. Aw, thanks, Rip. What about Nvidia? So apparently, let me read this out loud. Mr. It Monkey, I'll just say that, says, did you guys see Nvidia invested 8 billion in 4 stocks yesterday? What does this mean? Will Nvidia stock go down? Nokia is one of them. Skyline, do it. No, look at quickly got distracted. Look at that. Look at it. No! Sugar honey iced tea, man. I got distracted with the damn silly Nvidia thing. Oh, no! Look at it! Perfect. That was so perfect. That was a beautiful trade. Mother bluffer. Shoot, man. Okay, well, that's me being salty for today. A sweet little flappy. You were too worried about flaps. Okay. I was. Oh. Okay. Okay. That would have been a very quick in and out. Don't you dare do that. That's what she said. But it would have worked. Interesting. Okay. Now we're going back up. That... Damn, it's raining solidly. That was a wild thing to type. I'm sorry, everybody. No, Sally, you were so mean to me. I don't know what it means, but if the other big companies invest in those stocks as well, it'll probably go up. Oh, lucky that's... See, I don't know too much about that type of stuff. Not even gonna pretend like I do. So let's see. I still want this to come and take out Asia Low. Just saying. Yeah, and everyone will just be like, what the heck? Because I tolerate it. Oh well. To anyone that's new, what's up? Also, Stefan, what did you think about Violinox? I know you went to check it out. Violinox, by the way, is having an 89% discount currently. Just saying. 89% discount is freaking awesome. Solino, timeout. Video will go up. Yeah, they haven't invested in the AI scene, so it sucks for gamers because now graphics card through the roof and everyone video is gonna... Muddy, I saw that. I saw that. Gamers are not too happy right now. Apparently PCs that used to be like... I'm just gonna use rands that used to be like 15,000 rand have doubled, nearly tripled in price, which is insane. It also depends on what your plan is. When you're planning on getting out and all that type. Sorry, Eddie. Yeah, internet had a freak out. Internet is freaking out. There we go. I'm gonna blame the weather because it's a little bit... okay, I don't think storming is the right word. There's not like thunder and lightning, but it is raining. It is raining. Like I said, I could have put you guys in a timeout, so you are welcome. But... Oh, that's also, so if there's anyone new here that wants to join the Discord, I'm just gonna start putting my hands behind my back. If there's anyone new here that wants to join the Discord, you are more than welcome to. The description is in the description. The link is in the description. I will also copy and paste it. Oh, good grief. Anyways. The stream. Oh, did it close? Oh, it did. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I see the other stream just went. Okay, bye bye. Sorry, guys. I mean, oh, time is looking like that. For cooking up a banger comment. Oh, sorry, Solly. What was the banger comment? I'm all ears now. Thanks, Dom. Hello to everyone in the horizontal stream. It still hasn't hit Asia Low yet. At least we got the one chat going now. True. True. Now it's the one and only chat. Let's do this. Let's do this, people. Hopefully it keeps working. Sorry, Eddie. Something about cupcakes and mud flap. Okay, someone owes me cupcakes. I am owed cupcakes. It took out Asia Low beautifully. Look at it go. Woo! Look at it go. Okay, someone owes me cupcakes. I feel like LP owes me cupcakes. Who else owes me cupcakes? Someone else owes me cupcakes. That's such a turn on. What the heck, man? I'll send you cupcakes. Yay! Cupcakes! Is this going bob to bob? Look at this push. Wow. Alrighty then. Had to mess around a little bit there first, but now it's pretty good. I don't think it's gonna go that far up again. Put them cakes. Something about papaya, cupcakes, and wedding. I'll just fly you here and give you some that you can stay forever. Thank for me and in return you welded into the family. Oh, that was adorable. Welded into the family as well. OTT. Is he? Really? Is he actually? You can choose above. To be fair, I've always kind of wanted to try underwater welding. It sounds pretty cool. Is it cool? I don't know. Maybe it's difficult. I've heard it's cool. Wow, okay, just took out these lows solidly back into last week's new opening gap. Let's see if it rejects solidly off of there. All of this chaos. Okay, so much chaos, but it's gonna go bob to bob. This is definitely gonna go bob to bob level. I can see that already. Oh my gosh, all the chaos. I'm so sorry. That's very chaotic, but we got Mojo Jojo there. Like I said, apologies. That was a very chaotic chart if anyone's just hopped on there. Okay, so now this fair value gap is not the bestest anymore. Has been taken. Maya, how can you link Top Step to TradingView? David? Well, I don't use TopStep, but I can help you. Do you have a Trader8 account? Does TopStep have TradingView? I'm sure it does. TopStep has TradingView, right guys? Who uses TopStep? It's annoying. It looks cool, but having a tank strapped to you for 10 hours and basically just bobbing around the water. I guess that's valid. Trend is friend. Yep, trend is friend until it's not. I don't like how it looks on the higher time frames though, but this looks good here. Oh. Bob to bob. Bob to bob. This is going bob to bob level. Aw, hey Michelle, how you doing, bud? How's it going? Are you doing amazing? I hope you're doing amazing. Bob to bob, like I said, on the higher time frames. Sure, even here. The next point of interest is lower down. A retest would be quite nice, but it has taken out so much sell side liquidity. It's just gonna go bob to bob without me. Okay, you'll owe me cupcakes. If I'd left my stop at break even, I would have got my full TP. What's your bob total pips? Muddy? What do you mean? What? What do you mean? Like how it's 75 points, if that's what you're asking. think I saw it. Oh, it's not stop tip. What did I just say? Not top step. I have one for Trade-of-8, but using Tradeify, and I had one for funding ticks, but not top step. But again, who uses top step, and does top step use Trade-of-8? In which case, it'll be super easy. I can help if you want. Ah, there we go. Okay, so Top Step doesn't use TradingView. Doesn't Top Step use Project X? Aren't they like the only ones that use Project X? Maya couldn't even get the goggles over her head to do underwater welding. Bob is 75, yep. Hey Brandon, what's up? What's Bob to Bob? Ooh, Bob to Bob is some secret sauce that I can't really give away. I can just say it's supply and demand zones, but institutional supply and demand zones. Maya probably would hate the normal welding mask. I'm gonna have to wear goggles when I go shark cage diving. Well, just shark diving, no cage. Shark snorkeling. She's not ready for those levels of uncomfort. I put myself in uncomfortable situations all the time. Look at me talking to you right now, Solly. Hey, Carol, that was good. That was quick. That was quick. Why? No, I'm going to. Literally, it's happening in March. It's literally happening in March. I'm gonna go with friends.
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm not always quick with, oh, Bob's Bob. Here we go. See, now I would be a little bit more cautious. It's probably not a good idea to take another trade, right? Even though this Bob to Bob is quite nice. Ooh. Here it goes. Bob to Bob, man. Bob to Bob. Since when?
Emotional damage.
Let's abuse Maya Day today. Let's see if we can make Maya cry. That's what the heck, man? When do you have friends? Rough. I mean, you're not wrong, but that was mean. Damn, LP. LP, you owe me a cupcake. Cheers, OTT. It ain't easy work. It's pretty hard, but I get a decent hazard pay. I mean, there we go. That's what matters to Gara. Rough. Rough. You know, as long as my animals are happy, I don't care. This thing is now getting so itchy and irritating. I haven't even checked to see what it looks like today. I don't really want to see what it looks like today. It's gonna be nasty. Check the 5 minutes again. To be fair, it still looks good there. The 5 minutes still doesn't look terrible. As it tapped into an order block on the 5 minute, not yet. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. If it hadn't have gone Bob to Bob, I would be more keen for this trade. You have a friend in Australia. I have a best friend in Australia. Her name is Cara. He's so a little weird. Wow. He's like, wow, that's rough. That is so rough. Y'all are such bullies. Good grief. Okie dokie. I don't have a balcony. It's going down to that. Do you think it's gonna bounce off of that order block pretty solidly? Potentially, this could be a prop bounce from that order block. It's taken out so much sell side liquidity, went bob to bob nicely. I would be a little bit nervous to take sells. I know trend is friend until it's not, but I would be a little bit nervous to be taking sells now. Looks like it's targeting Thursday lows. You could have a balcony if you moved with trade. That's hilarious. Yeah, it's completely overextended. Okay. Did it tap into that order block? Nearly. Should have now tapped into that order block on the 5 minute. Let's check the 5 minute again. Wi-Fi, don't start your rubbish. Okay, tapped into the order block on the 5 minute. Let's see if it respects it. No. Apparently not. Apparently not respecting it as much as I wanted to see it respect. Short from 24822 TP to... Wait, Juan, I thought you weren't trading. Let me check the 15 minute and 1 hour. No problem. $15 tapped in there as well. So this would be a next point of interest. What's that? 676 around there. But to retest back into here would be quite nice. It's a very far way for it to go and retest again, but okay. Okay, this is just going now, damn. Oh, if I'd stayed in that short, I would be sitting pretty right now. But anyways, what does the 1 hour look like? To see it retest into this fair value gap would be quite nice, but is it going to? What's this, 806? Don't walk on it. There's only 3 legs under it right now. Institutional bulls just sitting on their hands. Choppers over. I like this move. Hey, okay, Juan. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So much sell side liquidity on the daily chart. I was chasing shorts. I don't know how I missed him. Oh, Solly, no! Well, I'm sorry, and I got it. You know, maybe, just maybe, it's karma for you being mean to me. Just maybe. Bruh. Seriously. I don't even want to take this now. It's just running away. I'm so stupid. Throw that there. It's been a huge liquidity sweep. I missed it because I've output enough. And I banned myself from trading. Okay, no, but that's valid, Muddy. You should ban yourself from trading if you are under the influence. Also, good luck with work tomorrow. I was just saying. Good luck with work tomorrow. That's going to be very, very entertaining for you. Okay, but pointers, we are up, right? Pointers, we're up. I do have a swing on, but I don't know if that's going to get there either. You have a short swing going? Over there. Oh, goodness gracious. Nice doji over there. Okay, well, it's tapped into that. Wow, this is completely overextended. That's another reason we broke PSE with strength. Here we go. We have a little bit more, but... The buyers are trying here, but they're just not succeeding. They are just not... Why, Wi-Fi? I think it's freaking out because of the... Hey, Savage, what's up? We juicing? What does that mean? What does we juicing mean? We're making juice? I already got my karma earlier when they gave me the opposite of your Friday trade. They flipped me over and touched my cupcakes. Yeah. That's all I'm gonna do there. Anyways, that was amazing. You think this is going bob to bob again though? Could be. I don't know if it is. Oh, I forgot to post my trade. Whoopsies. Let's post my trade. Sorry, just journaling. Okay, sorry, done with the journaling. Gotta make sure we get that done. Here comes 24666. Nice, Angry Bob, nice. Using when the price action teaches you stuff. Oh, interesting. Okay. I think it wants to dump more liquidity. That is ridiculous. Oh, thank you, Daniel. I appreciate it. How are you doing, Daniel? Muddy coming, asking all the good questions. Sure, guys. There we go. I may or may not have to call it a tiny bit early today because this headache is getting the best of me, but we can take it. Let's see. Maybe another trade opportunity will present itself now. Like I said, it's completely overextended. To see it go back up slightly wouldn't be the worst thing. Let's get confirmation though before we start doing something silly. Trend is friend, right? Don't go against the market. Stay with the market. I am, do you know what? I'm gonna give myself a little bit of a pat on the back for today because as we started, I did call that we're gonna go down. I did call a bearish market when we opened for New York. So I'm gonna give myself a tiny bit of a pat on the back for that. Maybe that's a little bit cocky or whatever you want to call it, but normally I'm not great at my suspicions of what I think is going to happen today, but I actually called it pretty decently, which is weird for me. So I'm going to give myself a little bit of a pat on the back for that one. Oh, thanks, Muddy. I don't do finance. No, Muddy, he's not. He popped up this morning, didn't he? Is my arm swollen? Does it just look swollen because of the plaster? I don't know. I keep looking at it thinking it's swollen. Don't know. Could be. Doesn't matter. Thanks, buddy. It doesn't happen often. Solly, are you trying to say I'm getting too big for my boots? Is that what you're saying? Got it. Apparently I'm getting too big for my boots, guys. I'm only a size 5, so be nice. I got little feet. Thought you've been working out. Not with this, no. Oh, it is a bit swollen. Yeah, no, I don't have that muscle. It's swollen. Great. It's not sore, it's just swollen. Like I can poke it and everything. Oh well. It's fine. Doesn't matter. I haven't worked out. Look at the... I'm kidding. I'm so kidding. Before Solly... Oh no, he got the boot. Oh, got it. I thought Solly was saying I'm getting too big for my boots. That is... I would not put that above Solly, just like. He would very much do that. So you can't blame me for suspecting that. Maya overthinking everything. Yeah, because you guys are being mean to me today. Damn. You're being bullies. I didn't know it was Bully Maya. Apparently this is Bully Maya today. Sassy Solly. I like that. He is indeed sassy Solly. So Maddie, are you going to send me an email? Yeah? No? Maybe? Ooh, why is that? Oh. Not start. Good grief. Okay, there we go. teachmayatrading@gmail.com. Nice, sweet and simple. No weird whatnots. No caps and no gaps. Oh my gosh, maybe I do have to go. Goodness gracious, I'm being weird. Or weirder than normal. I know you guys are used to me being weird, but I'm being weirder than normal. Size 5, everybody too big for their boots. I got little feet, what's the matter? Fine, Solly, what size of shoe do you have? Coming at me being mean. I have little feet. Everyone used to judge my little feet. A little bit mean. Oh well. Okay, again, this is overextended. It hit all the points of interest that I have. I would expect it to start potentially going back up now, but this is just running away. I feel like I need to actually, do you know what I do have to do? I think I need to write my rules down. So no more. I'm still a little bit conflicted with the mitigate risk by half when it gets to 50%. I'm still a little bit conflicted with regards to that, okay? But definitely once it's broken, keep it at break even. Just leave it there. Like I said, this would have hit my point of interest. It would have taken a while. Don't get me wrong. Where was it? It was around here, hey. It would have taken a while to hit my full TP, but it would have hit my full TP. I think that's the point. So instead of getting my $400 trade for today, I only got a 300, less than a $300 trade for today, because I didn't stick to the plan. So I need to just be better at sticking to my plan. Like I said, I'm still in a bit of a debate in my brain about mitigating risk. Okay, there's still a little bit of a debate in my brain because risk management is a thing, right? Mud crab, you're actually being normal, which is, well, maybe it's because I trained as friend until it's not. You peanut! I'm being normal. Maybe, you know, I'm just gonna blame the headache on me being normal. You really need to be listening to me on the mitigate. No, but okay, but you place a trade you're keen on and then you second guess yourself. So it's fine, you'll be fine without rules, but they help when you go off the rails, which we all do. Sit on your hands. Okay, I hear what you guys are saying, but again, isn't the whole risk management a thing? So if it's reached that 50% level, if it goes back up and it reaches 50% on my stop loss, isn't the likelihood of it actually hitting my stop loss, like the full stop loss, really, really high? So in which case, risk management, you know, risk management. Choppy markets throw, no, okay, that's valid, I'll give you that. Choppy markets, no. Okay, so then maybe that's it. If it's a choppy market, ignore that rule. Maybe ignore that rule is not the right word. If it's choppy, leave it. If it's not choppy, if it's trending properly, mitigate by half. Thoughts? We're having a proper discussion here. Wow. Just kidding. Okay. The buyers might start to come to the party now. So don't mitigate if choppy, but if it's not choppy, mitigate by half. Thoughts? Thoughts on that? Okay, the buyers might be coming to the party. The trend is friend, but buyers might be coming to the party now. Let's see how it reacts off of this bob level. Also, it's gonna go bob to bob again, which is ridiculous.
Nice.
Anyways, Mr. Sassy Solly over here. If the next one on the 5-minute closes, I'll go long. Hey, Lord, how you doing? Hey, Daniel, what's the bob level? Ooh, the bob level is some secret sauce stuff. Do you see all these gray areas? Those are bob levels. Like I said, that's some secret sauce stuff. So Bob is one of the amazing community members. Yeah, and he literally, yeah, he's pretty spot on with these levels that he came up with. Did a lot of research into them, but the bob to bob levels are pretty solid. Look at how it projects off of these levels. I won't give away all the secret sauce. All I will say, it's basically, would you say supply and demand? So okay, no, I'll just leave it at its secret sauce, or else Bob might yell at me. Didn't see anything, didn't hear anything. It's all probabilities. Angry Bob, you are correct, because at the end of the day, all we can do is try to predict the market. No one genuinely knows which way it's going. Well, that's what. Oh, you're waiting for the bulls to come into play? Quick question, out of respect, what part of your strategy? Oh, BMP. Wait, I butchered that. BPM trades. What's up? How you doing? So sweet and simply, I use confluences from ICT. So the fair value gaps, in particular, the first presented fair value gap, is ICT. The order blocks as well. So I use some parts of ICT, not everything. We can only go with history and some confluences. I can do. Bob is our pet goat, but he kind of owns us. What happened to full? Okay, no, I understand the full. I mean, you guys can just. I don't want to say copy it, but you can see it on here. But full transparency, but it's not my strategy to give away, unfortunately. I did give it away when I reached 10K. So if you guys want to go back to when I got 10K, because that was the deal. When I got 10K, Bob said I can give away the secret sauce. So if you guys want to go check out the secret sauce, you're just going to have to go back in the videos and find where I gave away the Bob secret sauce. But at the end of the day, he asked me nicely not to give away the secret sauce. So, yeah. You know, fair's fair. Fair's fair. It's not my secret sauce to be giving away. I have full transparency when it comes to my trading and my setup, but that's my trading and my setup. Aha! Exactly. See, Muddy? I'm a good person, kind of. I have my days. Did he give you a gift for passing? He did, kind of. He did. It was very sweet. It was very sweet. Silly but oh, okay. It does look like the buyers are coming into play here. I feel so old having to adjust my glasses right now. Let's see here. Bob is gonna start popping back up. It might start popping back up, all the way back up. Ew, do you think it's gonna go back up to the midnight? Sorry, I know I'm talking quite a lot now. Thanks, will do. Oh, you're welcome, Daniel. I got you. Oh, thanks, Maddie. I appreciate that. Surprised you sound a good person. Some people say I'm a bee, which is me. I'm a bee. I'm a bee. I'm a bee. Oh my gosh, I could make that such a funny remix to do with trading. I'm a bee on the Bob level. Oh, that was cringe. Oh, that was not okay. Oh, I didn't like that. I did not like that. My favorite trade feels very close second is your weirdness. Oh, Maddie, you're such a sweetie pie. B for bigot. B for boomer. You know, I'm pretty sure people just stay here to see how much Solly can bully me and see if he can get me this close to crying. One day, Solly, I'm gonna... I could make myself cry right now if I really wanted to, but I'm not going to. I could, but I'm not going to. But I could. Then you're gonna feel bad. But yes, that was very cringy of what I just said. I can... Yeah. Okay, buyers might be in play now. Let's have a quick look. I'm just gonna very quickly pretend like I didn't just do that very, very weird thing that I just did and move on. Ooh, check, we've got a shelf, we've got a fair value gap. Yeah. Okay, we got a shelf and a fair value gap. This is a B setup. I'm a B. Oh my gosh, I'm going crazy. Okay.
Emotional damage.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's getting so much worse. It's so bad. This is not okay. Okay. Bob level equals the bottom of bar. Basically, the low of a candle, trader uses its mini support level where price said. Eddie? No. Believe it or not, no. Interesting. Interesting. But no. I like where your head went, but that's actually not what the Bob levels are. But that was very, very interesting. Kind of scary. I don't know what I would do. I've only made boys cry with my bullying. With the students, it's oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is hilarious. Go to a safe distance and throw chocolate. That's, when in doubt, that is a good thing to do. If you're trying to say sorry and she starts growling, retreat to a safe distance and just start throwing chocolate at her. Then you're good. Hey, it was just a prank. Oh my gosh. That is so funny. Something like that. I didn't mean it. Poke poke. Anyways. Oh gosh, you guys are actually, by laughing, you're making it worse. Had to pull out ChatGPT real quick. I feel betrayed. Eddie, that is hilarious. Is that what ChatGPT said? That is amazing. I'm gonna actually copy paste that. That is so cool. I'm gonna tell Bob what just tried to tell him. Oh, shame. Sorry, I'm saying our shame because Brandon just asked if it cost anything to have like a one-on-one call with me to discuss like new trading. Shame, it doesn't cost anything, guys. That is hilarious. Okay. Shame. Bob to Bob is Bob's strategy. ChatGPT not gonna know someone's strategy like that. It's a little cupcake off. Wow. Okay. Seeming as this is cool. I see a solid rejection here. It's not really doing that. Let's see how it reacts here. Eddie, I absolutely love that you went to ChatGPT for that. That is amazing. I think Bob to Bob is meh. But it does work sometimes, as many strats do. What do you mean meh? It's pretty solid. Look at it. Bob to Bob. Nearly made it to the next and then went up and then Bob again, then Bob to Bob, then back down, Bob to Bob. So I just use it as another confluence because it tends to respect those levels pretty well. When do you want to fly in? Big grateful. I gotta organize my passport first, mate. Can I go in on an EU passport? Because then I'm good. Then I'm good to go. Well, nearly good to go. I'm collecting it soon. I'll set this area up for Cara. That is hilarious. Oh my gosh. Don't do that. Pen and paper in one hand is.
That's what she said.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna. Oh, her passport's in. Okay. You guys are too much. I hope you know that. You guys, I really hope you know that. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over. It's on the other back. I'm gonna call it there because my head hurts. We're in the green. Let's not push it. Happy with ending in the green for the day. Whoop whoop. Next time, I must remember, leave it at break even. Just leave it alone. Stop messing with it, especially on days like this. Just leave it alone. It would have been a solid, proper winning trade if I just left it alone. Lesson learned, right? Never a loss, always a lesson. Just gotta be a little bit more mechanical about it. I do struggle to be mechanical with it. I need to work on that. So that's a me thing to work on, but it's fine. Okay, but I'm gonna call it because my head really hurts. So I'm gonna go. I love you guys madly. Thank you again for joining. 3 things. Are you ready? Last 3 things I gotta say. Number 1, don't forget to press that like button. Number 2, Discord is in the description below. If it's not working, just pop me an email and I'll send you the link personally. With the thing of Discord, there are scammers out there, so just I'll discuss that more tomorrow. And last and not least, if you guys want to show some extra support, if you use any of the prop firms in my description below, I mean, Violin is having an 89% discount currently, which is freaking awesome. Traderify is always amazing. They are really, really good. And Top One, which is what I'm using currently, they're a little bit newer, so people have a bit more question marks when it comes to Top One futures. I've had no complaints. They're awesome. They're really good at getting back to you. I really, really enjoy them. But yeah, if you want to show a little bit of support, if you use any of them, or if you're keen on maybe looking into another prop firm and they sound good to you and you want to give them a go, you can use my code for, to show some support, and it gets you discounts. The code is TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. That's it from me today. I love you guys madly. Again, thank you for joining. You guys are the best. I will be back tomorrow, London and New York session. I love you guys madly.